Hi, this is Harford County Sheriff Jeff Gahler. Just when I thought Maryland could not get any more woke, I'm proven wrong yet again. The disconnect from real-world public safety concerns, unfortunately, continues. Last Friday, March 20th, the Public Defender's Office served a subpoena on the warden of the Harford County Detention Center on behalf of a criminal illegal alien, i.e. a person not in the United States legally, who was reportedly living at an address in Baltimore City and is, in fact, a citizen of Ecuador. This individual was turned over to ICE from our jail on March 6th after serving a 37-day jail sentence. As to why he was in our jail, well, he was arrested by the state police on January 28th for DUI here in Harford County, and at that time, he was found to be more than 2 times over the legal limit, and he was also charged with fleeing and eluding and other serious charges. So why am I telling you all this today? Well, the Office of the Public Defender tried to interpret the new 287G ban recently signed into law to mean something that it does not. In what we believe to be the first legal challenge to the new law in support of criminal illegal aliens, the Office of the Public Defender filed a court challenge naming our warden, your warden, as the defendant for honoring an ICE detainer on a criminal illegal alien. These detainers ensure illegal aliens are turned over for deportation proceedings and not released back into our communities to again endanger the lives of innocent people. Yes, indeed, the General Assembly and Governor Moore did ban 287G agreements. However, they did not restrict our ability to do a 48-hour hold for a federal partner like ICE who has issued a detainer for this individual. While this is ultra sanctuary state craziness, a worse shock came with the response from County Executive Castley's Law Department. Despite a legal obligation to defend our men and women in duties related to our correctional function, Castley's appointed county attorney refused to represent our warden. When we communicated with Castley's administration to include the county executive himself concerning the public defender's efforts, they first reminded us of the county attorney's previous direction to follow the attorney general's guidance. You remember that, the direction that Mr. Castley criticized his own county attorney for ever sending to me and then promised all of you his support for working with our federal partners. Well, this was the first test of those claims, and the result is the Castley administration refused to represent the sheriff's office in a case where we were following the law and working with ICE to deport a criminal illegal immigrant. When the county turned its back on us, and all of our citizens who want us to partner with ICE, thankfully, State's Attorney Allison Healy stepped up. She recognized that this wasn't just about a legal challenge or procedural dispute. It was a stand for our ability to continue to work with our federal partners to remove criminals from our community. Allison personally took the lead in defending our warden in court and ensuring he did not stand unrepresented without legal counsel. And I'm proud to say she won, we won, and you won. The court upheld our right to cooperate with our federal authorities and to honor detainers in order to keep dangerous individuals out of our neighborhoods. I want to thank Allison Healy for standing with us. Together, we will continue our work to keep dangerous individuals engaged in criminal activity who are unlawfully present in this country out of our communities and protect the safety of our residents. In Harford County, our position is clear. If you're in our country illegally and you commit a crime in our community, you will be held accountable. Period.